Welcome back, Gunners. This is the part you guys have all been waiting for. We are going to do a breakdown on Killer Bee. We're going to show you how to win it, where to win it, what time it begins, and what time it ends. So get ready to soak in information. Alright now. Alright guys. Alright guys. Yep, alright guys. Alright, so okay boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, so Killer Bee. What makes this motor so special? Why are we giving it away? What's all the hype about it on this motor? I'll tell you right now. It's got a Ramey Racing sleeved block, 85mm. Y-scope piston, 12.5 to 1. A Sands S-Series rod. The crank is fully serviced, micro-polished, balanced, everything. Moroso oil pan. It also has a port for an oil return for a turbo. Cometic head gasket. Goes all the way up to an Outlaw version 2 GSR cylinder head. It's fully CNC'd. Competition Plus valve train. Skunk 2 Pro 3 cams. 4-piston cam gears. It's got a brand new OEM Type R valve cover. We ran it with a Skunk 2 Alpha header. Now, also what's important about this motor is there isn't a used bolt on here. There isn't a used gasket on here. Every single thing on this motor is brand new. The side cover from Honda, the ATI dampener, the ARP crank bolt, the timing belt is a Gates Type R water pump, ported 4-piston oil pump. It's got a coil on plug kit with a TSM plate. It's got a regular VTEC solenoid GSR with a password JDM cap on it. Filler neck from FCS. It also comes with a Iron Man with a chrome ollie flywheel made by Action. It has all your fittings in the back for a catch can. Comes with 1000cc South Bay injectors. Kinsler 52mm, which are also match ported to the gasket, match ported to the cylinder head. So you get an even flow of air through here. Skunk Alpha header, I don't know if I mentioned that. You got some crispy alternator brackets on here. I left you guys some fittings in here for the catch can, brand new oil filter. Yeah, comes with the vane stand also. So you really won't be missing nothing. There's a few things you would have to add when you win this motor. You would add your transmission and your wire harness. There is a few little miscellaneous caps that you have to buy because I don't know, maybe somebody's not going to run the coil on plugs, but it comes with it. I suggest running the coil on plug. So another big question is, how much horsepower can this make, Aki? On E85 it should make about 270, 275. On M5, M1, it can creep around 300 horsepower. But this was made to daily. You can beat the life out of this motor every day. That's what I wanted to set up when I went through the program with 4-piston. So there is a few things that I am missing right now, but as far as maybe what I didn't list, but this motor has everything. It's bells and whistles. It's ready to make power. And I want to see who wins this motor, what do they do with this platform, what car they put it in, how fast does it go, how much horsepower, what ECU. You can actually go and invest into yourself. Create your own content, create your own following. Killer Bee is the platform for you to do it. Are you going to run an AEM? Are you going to run a Honda? Who's tuning it? How much horsepower did it make? What fuel did you use? How fast did it go in a quarter mile? It might be just the motor that we're looking at on the stand and all that, but this is your opportunity to create your own substance, to create your own content, to create your own following, and to become your own person. So this motor is a huge head start. It's got almost $16,000 invested into it. Now, let me show you how to win it. So now the most important question is, how do you win this motor? It's very, very simple. May 15th, this Friday, keepgunning.com. There'll be a section on the website where you'll see a photo of this t-shirt. You go to that, you can buy as many as you want, but it's only a 47-hour sale. We begin 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. We end Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You get a t-shirt and you get a sticker, and inside will be a ticket. On our end, we'll have your name and your address, and we'll pick the winner. It's $60, t-shirt, slap sticker, and a ticket. Even if you lose, you still at least obtained something, and you didn't just throw out your money to be put into a book with your name on it. So that's how I do my giveaways. I like to give back to the people. Even if you lost, you really didn't lose. My shirts usually sell for $30 to $35, and the slap sticker is $10. So give or take, that's $45, right? It was going to sell out anyway. It was going to do well anyway. Everyone likes the designs we come up with. And it's just our way of letting you obtain something and giving you a chance to win a beautiful motor like this. One more time, because I know people are so busy. May 15th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, keepgunning.com. It's only a 47-hour sale. The gunners came up with that time limit. We are complying. So again, picking the winner is going to be very simple. You're going to get one of these tickets inside of your package. Trust me, 200% it will be inside of your package. Also, before I conclude this video, I also wanted to mention the size chart is from small to 5XL. So you're going to get a t-shirt, a slap sticker, and one of these tickets inside. On our end, we'll have your name and your address. So when we put everything into a drum, we'll figure out a date. Once I feel like everyone has all of their stuff and I check all the tracking, I'll put out a date on when we draw the winner. 3 random new gunners will be invited to the garage, and they will take care of everything. If you are a little confused on how we pick a winner, you can always go back to how we gave away Lefty. And that video right there perfectly explains on how we run our giveaways. So good luck to everyone. Remember, it's only a 47-hour sale. And yeah, keep gunning.